Okay, Gaeilge fasti iniu Thomas Janu C bun no bar. Okay, so bun, figure and picture, so we can see from the picture is bun bottom. Okay, and bar, you can see the picture top. So for example, you might hear bun in some place names like Bunagee and Kildaf. Bun means bottom, bar means top. So we fek in Cade average it says honig me ein egg something and cran. So would it be bun or bar? So we fek in picture. So is the ein bun and cran, or is the bar and cran? So current focal cart is an at shot. Ever a dog. Dan dajo egg something and styra. So is it bun and styra, or is it bar and styra? So current focal cart is an at shot. Ever a 3. Hitch mohata demo kjaun agus sias leis go G and crook. So fek and fictor. So we'll hata bun and crook, or is it bar and crook? So is it bun, no bar, and then cur and focal cart, so that shot. If a cahar, skier me egg and crook. So fecker and fictor. So is it bun and crook? No, bar and crook. And then current focal cart, so that shot. And then ever a kuig, dag, daji, and kishin, egg, and styra. So fecker and fictor. So we'll send bun and styra, no bar and styra. And then cur and focal cart, so an atch cart. Okay. So na jan jarmad between bun, bottom, agus bar, top.